Let's differentiate arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, and Fibonacci sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. Geometric sequence is a sequence in which the ratio between consecutive terms is constant. Harmonic sequence is a sequence of numbers where the reciprocals of the terms form an arithmetic sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a sequence in which each term is the sum of the two preceding ones, usually starting with 0 and 1. And these are their formulas. As you can see, arithmetic sequence and harmonic sequence is almost similar. So, ni-reciprocate lang si arithmetic sequence para makuha si harmonic sequence. For example, arithmetic sequence, to get the next term, we just add or subtract the common difference sa previous term. Geometric sequence, to get the next term, we just multiply the common ratio to the previous term. Harmonic sequence is just a reciprocal of an arithmetic sequence. So as you can see, sa example natin sa arithmetic sequence ay ni-reciprocate lang natin yung sequence para makuha si harmonic sequence. For Fibonacci sequence, to get the next term, we just add the two preceding terms. For example, you have the first term which is 1, so steady lang. Now the second term, to get the second term, we just add the 0th term plus the first term. So since wala naman tayong 0 terms, we just write 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is why we get the second term which is 1. Then the third term, we just add the first term plus the second term. So the first term is 1 plus the second term which is 1. That is why we get the third term which is 2. For the fourth term, we just add the second term plus the third term. So the second term is 1 plus the third term which is 2. So that is why we get 3, the fourth term. For the fifth term, we just add the third term plus the fourth term. So the third term which is 2 plus the fourth term which is 3. That is why we get the fifth term which is 5, and so on. The key differences, arithmetic sequence is the constant difference between terms. So it is a linear growth. When we say linear growth, it is just a straight line. Geometric sequence is the constant ratio between terms and it is an exponential growth. So when we say exponential growth is may pa-curve siya, pataas ng pataas. The harmonic sequence is the reciprocal of terms form an arithmetic sequence. So it is an harmonic growth. So ito na yung may mga wave. So these are an example of harmonic design. For the Fibonacci sequence, each term is the sum of the two preceding terms. So, it is a recursive growth. So, ito rin yung tinatawag nilang the golden ratio. So, these are the example of a Fibonacci design. So, these are the differences between arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, and the Fibonacci sequence.